Hi friends, this is Lokesh Gorantla. Today we are going to discussing about the how to write automation script in Karate framework. In this framework, this is my project. Here I am going to create in the package demo.project, and here I am going to create the feature file first. Feature file, because this is the file, that's why I'm going to take the file first. Demo.future is the extension. You have to give the future, then only it will come for the future file, otherwise it will not come. See, now this is called as a future file. We need to access this future file. For that we need to create for the class, set demo class. Here I'll tell you how to call also. Now I'm going to tell this is a sample Cucumber report feature file, and this is unnecessary information. Future file is nothing but the future, what kind of file you are going to showcase. Like, we need to give the meaningful feature name that called as, now we are going to give the demo future scenario. In this feature, what kind of scenario you are going to execute. Imagine you have login file. This is a login application, that's called as a login feature file, login application feature file. Okay. Scenario, a positive scenario giving the valid username, that is a scenario. At the same time, in one feature file we can n number of scenarios we can add. Means in one feature we can thousands of scenarios we can write. Now see, in the scenario I'm going to give the positive, and second I'm going to give the negative, and again I'm going to give the next feature file. Next scenario is giving the valid a password, and next one is a negative password things, and submitting. Like that we can give that n number of scenarios for that. Now this is a simple demo purpose, but demo simple, like that I'm going. Now see here, I'm going to get def color equal to red, and def s equal to 5. And this scenario is not required. When now we are going to directly matching the report. Match red 5 equal to color plus yes. This is my feature file. Now I am going to access that feature file here using karate, and the read karate dot test karate. We can initiate our importing our package karate one, and this is the karate needs for the method name, that is called, I'm going to give a method name is a karate. It is optional, not like optional, you can give any name based upon your feature file. You can give the name for that. According to the feature file, you can give the method name. Then I'm going to the return. The return statement can be acceptable karate dot run. In this run place, we need to give the file path. This is the path, right? That I'm going to a demo. Here run place, we can give the two kind of informations. One is complete path or else inside the package future file. Complete path means class colon double slash, then you can give the package like a com slash demo slash project slash demo dot future file. This is the one complete path we need to give. Otherwise we can give directly future file name. If you are calling inside the future file, sorry, not the, if you are calling that future file inside this package, no need to give the complete path, directly you can give the file name, it will accept. In case you have n number of packages but you want to call that demo one into the 10th position of the package, then you have to give the complete package name, then you have to give the feature file name, then it can be accessible into that place. Dot relatives and get class. This get class method can get the this class. In this particular demo class place, this like a admin type. It we see this a hotspot information conditions one. It return the runtime class, the object. It return the class object is the object that is locked by the static synchronizing method in the response class. This kind of info static classes it will return into that method. Now I'm going to run this one using JUnit. See, now launching this one and it will showcase. Not the matter. We replace the class. Folder will be there and save, and our HTML. This is our HTML file. I need to open and see this is the one. Is something red is what kind of missing thing? See, no step definition method matching found the color. Now something is matched our here def equal color. Then again we need to run this method. We can able to see the what is the mistake happen in that particular place. Step by step information we can able to get. We need to refresh and check. Both it is acceptable and now it is coming here missing colons. In the hyphen red place it is some comma is missing. If you see here now the method we are going to call equal to class We can run and we can see a number of now the pass condition is there. See now the entire outputs are step by step it is given the values. What all the steps are there and everything. A report also like this is there. You can able to find the report into the target folder and surface reports you can extract, then you can able to see that what is the report you are able to get it. That report you can able to see in this browser. This is called about the Karate framework. That's all about it. If you like this video, please like my video and share your, if you like this video, and to share your friends and subscribe my video channel. Thank you.